Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. If you are new here and you like the content of our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be updated for our new uploads. Today we will be making hot orange juice with cinnamon and honey. We will need juice of 4 oranges, juice of 1 lemon, cinnamon stick, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Let's start. We need to squeeze the juice of the oranges and also the lemon. And place it in the saucepan and add in the cinnamon stick and the honey. Turn on the heat and heat the mixture over a low heat, stirring occasionally. And once it's ready, you turn off the heat, then serve. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.